Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the 2012 Dodge Journey Crew all-wheel drive. Stock number E1025P. 70,000 miles on this Journey. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Brilliant black in color. The Journey is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seat 7 with a leather interior. Rear heat and air controls to make sure everyone's comfortable. Additional in-floor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. Middle row seats fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats two. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. 50/50 split folding rear seat. Fold flat easily, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. This Crew has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Push button start. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel. Cruise control. Very large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Heated front seats. 3-zone automatic temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And that is, of course, where the backup camera displays. Hard keys below for climate. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. Spacious overhead, auto dimming mirror, and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Journey has a 3.6 liter V6, 283 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 24 on the highway. All that with new tires and new brakes. For more information on this Journey, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.